In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from the College Board step by step. Whether you're looking to declutter your inbox or safeguard your data, here's a comprehensive guide to help you unsubscribe efficiently. First, let's start with the fastest way to unsubscribe from emails. Head over to any email you've received from the College Board, open it, and then scroll down to the very bottom of the email. You should find an unsubscribe link there. Clicking this link will take you through a series of on-screen instructions that you need to follow to confirm your unsubscription. This method is quick and straightforward, helping you efficiently manage the influx of College Board emails with minimal effort. Next, if you prefer a more thorough approach, you can update your email preferences within your College Board account. Start by visiting the official website of the College Board at collegeboard.org. And once on the site, log in with your College Board account credentials. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile name. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you want to select Account Settings. Within the settings, locate the section titled Communication Preferences. This section allows you to manage the types of emails you receive. Simply turn off or uncheck the boxes corresponding to marketing or promotional emails, ensuring that your inbox receives only essential communications. Don't forget to save your changes to make sure all your preferences are updated. If you're also interested in further reducing contact from colleges, you might consider opting out of the College Board's Student Search Service. While still in your account settings, navigate to the Privacy and Student Search Service section. Here you'll have the option to uncheck the box that allows the College Board to share your information with colleges. This additional step can be particularly useful if you're keen on maintaining privacy and limiting unsolicited college outreach. Again, remember to save any changes you make to ensure your preferences are applied. In the event that you continue to face issues despite these efforts, your final option is to directly contact College Board's customer service. You can reach out by calling their U.S. contact number at 866-756-7346 or by using the Contact Us page available on their website. When speaking with a representative, you can request to be unsubscribed or removed from their mailing lists altogether. Communicating your specific needs to customer service can often resolve any lingering issues. With these steps, you'll have managed to reduce or completely stop emails from the College Board, ensuring your inbox remains manageable and your information secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.